This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is the Polestar 3 long-range dual motor, and this video we're gonna find out how much space it has. It's 4.9 meters long, so it's quite big. Should be in lots of space because, you know, it's boxy as a Volvo, right? So yeah, we're gonna see now by putting in banana boxes. Let's start with the front. Wow, hood is quite long. There is a Frunk here. How big is it? There's a safety latch on the side here, actually. Kind of unconventional spot. Where is it? There, okay. There, right? And then look, we actually have a quite sizable Frunk. We can put charging cable there and other equipment. But what about putting in a banana box? Wait, oh! It almost fits. Just almost, okay. But still, as long as it doesn't fit, then we cannot count it as one. So it has to be 0 in the front. But yeah, it's still nice to put all the cables there, or your drinks in winter. And look at the sexy back, eh? Volvo style, well actually Polestar style. And then we have kick sensor, of course, because this is a premium electro auto. Cost about 1 million NOK, around 100,000 euros. Trunk is fairly spacious, and we can also lower it by pressing on the button there. Oh, that is very nice. And then we have the Volvo style lid to open up more space beneath here. Wow, even though this is dual motor, there's a drivetrain also in the back here, a motor inverter. There's still nice space in the well. But here, this lid cannot be removed. So I have to choose. Do I leave it up like this or go flatter? I think I want to try up. Okay, round one. This is strange. I could only fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? Really? Wait. Let's try with that lid closed then. It tends to eat up a lot of thickness here. What, can we fit one under here if you close the lid? No, we cannot really, or unless we're gonna leave it like that, but that's awkward. So that means we have to give up that space. Maybe we fit more now. Let's try. Well, guess what? With the lid open, or I mean closed, then we can fit more. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is as if they designed the trunk to perfectly fit 4 banana boxes here. Yeah. But can we rearrange to get 8?
Baila que baila la luna, baila que baila mi amor. Tengo la grande fortuna de estar en tu corazón.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's still just 7. No matter what we try, we can only get 7. And actually, that's not very good. Most other cars, even MEB cars that are shorter, they can fit 8 or even 9. So being a 4.9 meter long car, I think the problem is in the front. So here's the problem. The hood is so long. And for what reason? We have some drivetrain in the back, some in the front. There's some electronics here, but it shouldn't take up that much space. And the trunk is not that big even. So I'm gonna try to measure now. The length here, we can measure it from there, roughly, to the front here. We have 130 centimeter. Actually, that's not the worst I've seen. The worst was BMW i7 with 160 centimeters, but this is still longer than the average. It should be longer than the MEB cars also. I don't have one right now. Well, actually my neighbor has one, but I don't feel like measuring it. Well, okay, let me show you another car. Here we have a Tesla Model Y Performance from Bilkomponenter, and it's a pre-Uniper. I'm gonna measure again, same thing here. What do we have? 110 centimeter. We have 20 centimeter less length here. That means 20 centimeter more in the cabin versus the big fat Polestar. And also, well, extra stuff just for funs and jiggles. Yeah, you can also get the motorized front. Huh? You can also close it. Wait, What happens if I put my finger there? Oh, I don't dare. It's the Chinese stuff, you never want to trust them. Okay, as usual, we try to fit as many boxes as possible in here with the seats folded. They move slightly now, means that it's really tightly packed. So can I close it? Okay, yeah, close it. All right, that's good. Also, we have glass roof, so we stuck it all the way to the roof. Okay, some space there we couldn't utilize, but I mean it's close enough. And the box's shape here, does it help? Well, let's find out. Man, I've been so busy lately, so I have to run the test now. It's kind of dark-ish outside, well, but it's 11:35 in the evening. You're gonna love Nordic summers. Well, okay. Now let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
21, 22, 23 only. What? That is disappointingly low. Did I not pack correctly? Well, if I packed it slightly different, I might have put in 1 or 2 more boxes, but you can see that we cannot put 3 or 4 more in here. So yeah, a Model Y can actually take 3 more boxes, 26 boxes. And then most MEB cars, you know, like ID3, ID4, ID5, or Skoda Enyaq, they can usually take around 25, 24 boxes. So yeah, this is a little bit disappointing. But I mean, it also makes sense, kind of. I checked a BMW iX. I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison, but I just couldn't make it because the neighbor wasn't here. He has an iX, and according to the spec sheet, the iX has slightly more space when seats are folded than the Polestar 3. And the iX could take 5 boxes. So, you know, the numbers corresponds. Maybe on a good day, if I push the boxes harder, I could get 24 boxes in here. But that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you want a big car with not so good space, then get the Polestar 3. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.